Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So gold set for third week of gains on global uncertainties, rate cut hopes. Gold flat after record run in recent sessions. Gold unchanged near record high as global uncertainties raise demand. So, my dear friend, today is Friday and this is the ongoing market sentiment means gold is still bullish. If we look at the chart of gold and we can see that gold is trading in a range right now, but we cannot deny that market is still bullish. So, in this situation, obviously it will be safer for us to look for buy positions again. Yes, still there is no sign, no indication of trend reversal yet, and we are traders, okay, and we will have to respect the trend of the market. Otherwise, okay, we won't be able to survive. Survival, okay, is the most important thing here. So in this situation, obviously we will be looking for buy position, means buying at retracement is still the best trading strategy. And if market doesn't come for retracement, then we'll be looking for buy at breakout. That's it. And my dear friend, we should also keep in mind that today is Friday. Fridays can be dangerous because um, traders around the world, institutions around the world close their position, book their profits, okay, before going home. So be careful. If you see some unexpected moves in the market, just shut down the laptop, enjoy the evening with your friends and family. You don't need to trade on every Friday, each and every session, or every day. We only need to trade when market condition meets our expectations, because Friday can also fry your account. Okay, don't make the mistake. And one more thing I would like to add here is that, okay, if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure in the market without any news, okay, then just do not forget that it's a temporary thing. Yes, as a day trader, we can sit on a sell position, because if a drop comes from this particular level, easily gold will be heading towards 2980, 2970 area. Obviously you can, okay, make some money, but keep in mind that you also need to exit fast. If you feel that no, I will be sitting on a sell for the next couple of days, that will be a bad decision, because whenever a move comes, okay, without any news, any solid fundamental, it's a temporary thing. And obviously gold is standing a record high. If people start booking profit also, okay, it should not be a surprise. Profit booking, okay, is part of the game here. Okay, but you need to be careful, you need to be flexible. Okay, so again repeating, if you see some profit booking, okay, during the US session, if you see some sudden selling pressure, sit on a sell, but temporarily. Okay, and overall the market is still bullish, there is no doubt about it. Market sentiment is also bullish, so we will be looking for buy positions only. On the chart of gold, the best level is around 3000. My dear friends, 3000 or 3005. We have discussed earlier also. 3000 to 305. Okay, the box that I have made here is the best level where we can look for a buy position. We have discussed earlier also. 3000 is a psychological support. Yes, it's a round number. It's a psychological support. Plus, we also have FIBO 0.236. Plus, the previous resistance will be working as support. So okay, under normal circumstances, if market drops, we can definitely look for a buy around 3001, 3002. It can be 2999 also. It's a zone, okay, that have good number of buyers. If you see market taking support, we can definitely go for a buy position. But the problem is that gold is not coming down for proper retracement for the last couple of days. Right now, gold is trading around 3030, and we are talking about 3000. So there is a gap of $30. So we can look for immediate support around 3018, 3016. Okay, 301 and 3016, and also 3008. Okay, these are the two other support levels where we can look for a buy position as a day trader. You can go with a stop loss of 50 pips. Okay, and your targets should be around 80 to 100 pips. 3008 and 3016, what 3016 and 301618 and 3008. Okay, these are the other levels where we can look for a buy position. We are considering, okay, we are considering 3016, 3017 area because of FIBO. Again, see, we have changed the starting point here. Okay, this is the FIBO 0.236% retracement here. This is not a very strong support, but now we can see that there is not much high selling pressure, so we can expect this level to work. Okay, and we have another support around 3008. Here also not a major event. Okay, we have derived this level with the level with the help of Fibonacci. Okay, so we can look for a buy around 3008 as well if you see market taking support. But keep in mind 3008, 301617, they are not very strong levels. If there is a sudden drop in the market, they may not work. Because on the chart of gold, the strongest support right now is around 3000 level. Okay, and if profit booking comes during the US session, okay, then obviously, okay, nothing may work and you can follow the trend of the market. Because gold is standing at a record high, obviously people will be booking profits, isn't it? For example, okay, just look at our trades. So when we are happy with a trade, don't we book a profit, isn't it? So just like that. And the yesterday support is also present 3025. Okay, 3025, 3022. The first box that I have made here. Okay, this box is little dicey right now. Before US session, if you see market coming down to this level, then we can look for a 40 to 50 pips bounce. But market has already given a nice bounce yesterday, so liquidity has built up. So okay, this box is a weak support zone right now today. Yesterday it was a good support for us where we made some good money, but today it is not that strong. So in simple words, on the chart of gold we have 4 support levels today. 302522, weak level. If market stays like this, then we can look for a bounce. Then we also have support around 301617, 3008, and ultimately around 3000 area. But keep in mind 3000 is the only strong support here. And if market shows profit booking during the US session, it will be a temporary thing, but we can go for a sell as well. And if gold doesn't come down, then what is the scenario? Gold will be going up, isn't it? So we have a risky sell opportunity around 3050. Okay, 3050 is a round number, and if we draw FIBO like this here, okay, we can see that we have a FIBO 78.6% retracement level. So far FIBO is doing a good job here. Okay, but still it is a risky sell opportunity. Why? Because it's a bullish market. If you're a scalper, okay, if you're a scalper, then you can look for a 40 to 50 pips selling opportunity around 3050, but it's a risky level. If you're a beginner, new trader, don't know how to manage risk properly, then obviously this is not the right trade for you. Okay, and if market breaks 3059, okay, 3059 or 3060 area, you can look for a buy position, but obviously, okay, it will be a high risk buy. Okay, if you see that gold is super bullish, okay, if you see gold is super bullish during the US session, then you can look for a buy above it. Before US session, I will not recommend any buy at breakout. After US session, if market is super bullish, okay, then you can look for a buy at breakout, but it is high risk again. As we have been discussing for the last couple of days, that okay, after 40-50 pips there may be some profit booking. So if you want to go for a safe position, it will be better for you to buy at retracement. Means when 3057, 3056 will become the new support, then you can take a buy or enter here, because it will be going up. Okay, so buying at retracement is better and safer. Okay, so if market comes down, then we can look for a buy around the support levels that we discussed. If market goes up, high risk scalpers can look for a sell around 3050. Otherwise, you can look for a buy above 3058, 3059 area. But be careful, if you want to avoid false breakouts, buy at retracement only. And right now we can see the market is bullish, market sentiment is bullish, no doubt about it. But market is showing some sideways nature. Okay, so we may witness some profit booking during the US session because market is also forming a lower high. I'm not expecting a big profit booking of gold going to 2850, 280. No, we can see gold coming down to 2980, 2970 area. Okay, if you see gold coming down to 2970, 80 area, that also can be a good buying opportunity. Okay, let's wait and watch how does the market react. Be careful, do not get